The McColls of Appin and Ballachulish have long claimed a connection to the mighty clan MacDonald. While this assertion remains uncertain, their unwavering loyalty to the Stewarts of Appin is well documented. These native men were an integral part of the Stewart regiment during the Jacobite Rising of 1745, sacrificing their lives in service of their cause. The name McColl traces its origins to the personal name college. However, the precise meaning and significance of the name remain shrouded in mystery. Theories suggest a potential connection to the Macdonalds, but conclusive evidence is elusive. The etymology of names often carries hidden stories, and the enigmatic McColl name beckons further exploration. One of the most distinguished figures bearing the McColl name was Evan MacColl, renowned as the author of Clarsach the Minstrel. This notable work showcases the literary prowess of the McColl lineage and offers a glimpse into their cultural contributions. Evan MacColl's legacy serves as a testament to the talent and creativity within the clan. The earliest known MacColl associated with charters of the lands in Glasdrum was Paul MacColl, estimated to have lived around the year 1500. These charters suggest a significant presence of the MacColls in the region during that era, solidifying their historical roots. While records are scarce, the MacColls undoubtedly played an integral role in the local community. Within the MacColl lineage, a few intriguing figures emerge from the annals of history. Two men referred to as MacColls serve as servants to James Stewart of the Glen, although subsequent research casts doubt on their true MacColl lineage. Instead, they are sometimes mentioned as MacSholla and Clan Sholl. These individuals and their misattributions provide an intriguing glimpse into the complexities of ancestral connections and the challenges faced by historians. The Solomon MacColl connection, a notable name that emerges within the MacColl family, is Solomon MacColl, mentioned as a crown witness and a merchant in Auchindarroch. This indicates that the name Solomon held significance within the family, possibly hinting at ancestral ties or the influence of another family line.